Hear that? Sound of winning. When he starts counting down, I'm gonna tighten it up.
Alright, 10-second warning, get ready!
Oh shoot, you're not telling me to record.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Knocks on Snake Tower! Go one! Same thing?
Yeah, which side do you want?
I might
Okay.
go middle.
Middle, alright.
I went there and then moved up, so I might try that again.
Cool.
Hey, Zach's on Dorito! Gun hit!
Where's that?
12, my 12.
Your what?
My 12.
Got you.
Dang, I almost got Zach. That was unfortunate.
Alright, 10-second warning!
I'll do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Zach's out! Same thing?
Same thing. Actually, I might go wider because...
2,
1, go!
Kill one! Kill one! I'm gonna go to this one.
Okay.
Or actually, I might just lane right there.
2, 1, go!
Kill the snake. Home.
I think so.
He's moving. He's moving. He pushed up one middle. Hit. Was that trade?
I'm gonna call that a solid tie. Switch sides.
Did you die?
All right.
All right, I'll do the same thing where I lane because that worked out.
Yeah, that works.
10-second warning. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey, they're both middle. Killed one home.
Game over.
So Zach usually runs around the side, so I think we both stay middle. Kind of just peek out there.
Okay. I don't want to stay too close though.
Yeah, okay.
Is that a net?
I'm gonna run out to there, see if I could just shoot.
Okay, I'll go middle
Or,
there.
did you see which side Ethan's on?
No. Zach's getting ready to run our left.
Okay, I'll lane left.
Okay, I'm going middle, you're going right.
Yeah. I'll lane, then go right.
Zach went center, Zach went center.
Got you.
My mirror.
I'm in, bye.
Hit!
I might go snake.
Okay.
Or should I go middle? Try and control the field.
Yeah, you're good at that, I feel. I'll go right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Home's dead, home's dead. Gun it, gun it.
Got him.
Next round, left side.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay.
I'll go this way.
What?
I'll go this way.
I'm gonna do the same thing.
You going middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Although if Ethan goes right, I'm a...
2, 1, go! Not cold.
Ethan's home?
Zach, put your gun down. Huh? Could have had him too. I was just gonna leap over the wall. Game over, and that's game!
Whew.
Team 1 takes it. Would you grab the flag for me too, please?
Gotcha.
As soon as you guys get all your stuff together and reloaded, we're gonna have Zach and Hunter join the take team and
look at that.
Zach and
Yep, that was me.
join the non-take.
Nice.